fix lag in Minecraft by only one single step. So if you're trying to play Minecraft and you are getting a lot of lag, you can try one step and let me know whether it works for you or not. Just do a right click in the start icon and then go to Task Manager and then go to Details, and here you need to look for the description or the name and look for the Minecraft process. So let's say this is the Minecraft process, and you just need to do a right click and then you can simply click on set priority and you can select it from normal to above normal. Please make sure you do not go to real time or high because it may create a stability issue. Just try above normal and it will be good for you. So you can change the priority and do let me know in the comment section whether it works for you or not. So in this manner, you are giving more computer resources to Minecraft. All right. So please do take care. Have a wonderful day.